Because my Redeemer liveth. I will never fear the world because my Redeemer is by my side. His eyes is on the sparrow. I will never fear the world because my Jesus can never die. Everywhere scatter, scatter. I will never fear the world because my Redeemer liveth. Hey! Yes, sir. I will never ever fear the war. For my God lives. For my God lives. He lives. Because he lives, I can face tomorrow. Oh yes. Oh yes. His eyes is on a sparrow. I know he watches over me. His eyes is on the sparrow. I know he watches over me. Though I walk through the valley of the shadow of death, I will fear no evil. For now art with me, the rod and the staff, they comfort me, oh Lord. I will never fear the world because my Redeemer liveth. I will never fear the world because my Redeemer liveth. My Redeemer don't for the night, for joy of the Lord we come in the morning. Oh yes. Egwadim, ujadim, ebone wani na diri mundu. Ona ina chweku okari chuku ima kwa nobu chuku keya. Father, what is the mountain standing before you, my sister? What is the mountain standing before you, my brother? God is bigger than all your tell it to God. Oh, my God is so bigger than all your tell it to God. Why not tell it to God? Never ever fear on your knees. Unatulagi moli on your knees. Ona isuna tuo. Akwa bodo kwa katata. Ona make jogwe merina. Ona dumi swelu gaga we merina. Okwa wambenta Iga ngori kwa unuwa Onu kurunchoke kumani mendogeo ni mendogeo Onu kurunchoke tuwari akuweze mani mendogeo God is there for you. There for you. God is there for you. Akadi mpumpuni sapotagio Nani bukwaya botuto That mountain will roll away. Now your problem will roll away. Why not give him all the praise? Your barrenness will roll away.